In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Oasis tickets Ticketmaster, 5 minutes. We'll walk through the process from searching to checkout with tips to help you move quickly when tickets go on sale. First, head to the official Ticketmaster website or open the Ticketmaster app. Make sure you're on the verified site, your internet connection is stable, and if possible, you're already signed in so you don't lose time later. If you see any prompts or a queue page during busy sales, just wait and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, use the search bar at the top and type Oasis. You'll see a list of events and locations. Double check that the artist and tour look correct, then browse the dates and venues to find the show you want. You can use filters like location and date to narrow it down, and it helps to confirm whether you're viewing standard tickets or resale listings. Select the Oasis event you want to attend. On the event page, review the venue, date and start time to make sure everything matches your plans. When you're ready, click Find Tickets. During high demand, you may enter a queue. Don't refresh unless the page instructs you to. If there's a purchase limit per customer, keep it in mind before proceeding. Once you're in, you'll see an interactive seat map or a list of sections. Choose your preferred seats or price range. Many maps are color coded by price and some shows offer best available selection. Check any notes about obstructed views, accessible seating or mobile only delivery. Prices and availability can change quickly, so decide promptly. Click Next to move to checkout. Here review your cart, event name, date, section, row and seat count. Take a moment to confirm fees and the total. If any tickets show as timed reservations, note the countdown and continue. Select your payment method. Ticketmaster usually supports major cards, sometimes digital wallets and gift cards where available. Enter your billing details carefully to avoid verification delays. If you have a promo code or gift card, apply it before proceeding. Check the box to agree to the terms. This typically covers transfer rules, delivery type, and refund or exchange policies. Many concerts are mobile entry only, so be ready to access tickets on your device. Finally, click Place Order. Wait for the confirmation screen and save your order number. You should also receive a confirmation email. If tickets are mobile, add them to your phone's wallet in advance for easy entry. That's it, you've just secured Oasis tickets on Ticketmaster. Good luck and enjoy the show.